Located at approximately 50 kilometers east of Calgary, Strathmore is a thriving town that blends small town charm with the conveniences of urban living. As of 2024, the town's population stands at 16,125, reflecting a 3% year-over-year increase and a almost 9% growth over the last 5 years. Strathmore is a growing and diverse community with a balanced age distribution, a strong family presence, and a stable economic environment. Business growth here is high, and its increasing multicultural population and Indigenous representation contribute to the town's rich cultural tapestry. Strathmore's real estate market is experiencing steady growth. The median house price is approximately $500,000, with a year-over-year increase of about 3.5%. Single-family homes are particularly attractive, with median list prices at about $615,000 as of March 2025. Condos are more affordable, with median prices at about $183,000. The market here is competitive, with homes selling after an average 35 days on the market. The months of supply for houses is 1.72, indicating a seller's market. As of May 2025, the average rent in Strathmore is $1,200 per month for a one-bedroom apartment, reflecting a 5.9% increase over the past year. Two-bedroom units average about $1,400 per month, and the rental market has tightened up significantly, with most three-bedroom units now renting for about $1,700 and up. Strathmore has a diversified economy with strengths in agriculture, manufacturing, retail, and energy. The town has attracted significant investments, such as Capital Power's $60 million Strathmore solar farm project. The median family income is $106,000, surpassing the Alberta median of $96,000. Approximately 72% of residents work within a 45-minute commute of their home, with 43% working within 15 minutes of their home, indicating strong local employment opportunities. Strathmore also offers a range of educational institutions. There's the Golden Hills School Division. They have 3 elementary schools, Wheatland, Westmount, and Brentwood, and 1 junior high, Crawford Memorial, and 1 high school, Strathmore High School. There's the George Freeman School, a regional K-12 school serving Strathmore and rural Wheatland County. There's Christ the Redeemer Catholic School Division, Sacred Heart Academy, which offers K-6, and Holy Cross Collegiate, a 7-12 school. Trinity Christian Academy also has a publicly funded Christian school offering K-9 education. The town also features modern recreational centers, well-maintained public parks, comprehensive healthcare facilities, and a variety of shopping and dining experiences from both independent businesses and national retailers. As of 2024, Strathmore Alberta has experienced a notable decrease in crime rates, reflecting the effectiveness of local law enforcement and community initiatives. According to the RCMP's Strathmore Municipal Department, total crime offenses decreased by 35% from 2020 to 2024 and by 15% from 2023 to 2024. Notably, assaults dropped by 56% over the 5-year period and by 50% between 2023 and 2024. Property crimes have also seen significant reductions. In 2024, break-and-enter incidents decreased by 6%, thefts of motor vehicles by 58%, thefts over and under $5,000 by 20%, and possession of stolen goods by 43%. All compared to 2023. Despite these improvements, Strathmore's overall crime rate remains 21% higher than the national average. However, violent crimes are 6% lower than the national average. Residents here have a 1 in 20 chance of becoming a victim of crime, and the town is considered safer than 54% of cities in the United States. While urban Strathmore has seen a decline in crime, the surrounding rural areas have experienced increased crime in certain offenses. From January to September 2024, the rural detachment reported a 59% increase in break-and-enter incidents and a 22% rise in thefts over and under 5,000 compared to the same period in 2023. Strathmore's commitment to safety is evident, and its decline in crime rates and proactive community initiatives are helping this. While challenges remain, particularly in rural areas, the town's collaborative approach between law enforcement and residents continues to foster a pretty secure environment. Now, if we look at the age distribution of Strathmore, the population is relatively balanced across all age groups, with a slight concentration in the working age bracket. Between the ages of 0 and 14, there's about 18.4% of the population. Between 15 and 64, it's 59% of the population. And above 65 years of age, there's about a 17% of the population. If we look at the ethnic and cultural composition of Strathmore, it's pretty diverse. Strathmore is predominantly composed of individuals identifying as white, but it also hosts a diverse range of visible minorities and Indigenous peoples. There's about 3% of the population identifying as Filipino, about 2% identifying as Black, about 1% South Asian, about 1% Chinese, and about 0.5% Korean. There is also about a 7% Indigenous population within Strathmore city limits. This represents about a 12.7% increase over the past 5 years. English is predominantly the language of Strathmore, with about 96% of residents reporting it as their mother tongue. But other languages vary. There is a small population of French-speaking individuals in Strathmore, and of course, other languages as well. Strathmore, Alberta presents a compelling option for families, professionals, and investors seeking a community that combines affordability, economic opportunity, and a good quality of life. With its steady population growth, robust real estate market, and diverse economy, Strathmore is poised for continued prosperity in the coming years. When people ask me which towns do they recommend living in near Calgary, I often recommend Strathmore. If you have any questions about Strathmore, post them down in the comment section below. If you currently live in Strathmore, we'd love to hear from you also. What makes Strathmore special? What do you like about it? What do you not like about it? We'd also love to hear from you. If you enjoyed this video and found it useful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel to see more videos just like this. Thank you so much and have a great day. We're going to finish off this video with a walk around town with some music just to see some of the other sites. Thank you so much.